Orange Shirt Day to me is reflective of a time when we need to be thinking about the residential schools and the impacts of those schools, especially looking at the intergenerational impacts on our communities and on our people.
September 30th is a time for collective remembrance of the tragedies and attempted cultural genocide against Indigenous peoples, but also the resiliency, the beauty, and strength of Indigenous peoples and communities. Truth has to come first, and some of those truths are very painful. It's a time for Canadians to be humble and listen.
Having understanding of these stories and acknowledgement of these stories also builds compassion and empathy. When you have compassion and empathy, you can provide better care to individuals. I want Interior Health to be allies and to continue to acknowledge this day and not take this day as like another stat day, to think in reconciliation, to think about what can they do today to learn about residential schools. I think it's a day of learning.
IH staff can continue to be good allies and show up and take on some of their responsibility in educating others and educating themselves.
Last year, Communications and Indigenous Partnerships and Indigenous Employee Experience, we had a organization-wide Orange Shirt Challenge. And when I showed my mother, who's a residential school survivor, all of the photos that were submitted to me to publish an article internally, my mom cried. She cried because she didn't think in her lifetime that she would see that form of recognition or acknowledgement of her as a residential school survivor.
I want it to be more of an education and to participate in the day and to attend community events that are happening within the day. So, take your children, go enjoy the day, learn about residential schools, wear your orange shirts, and honor us, honor the residential school survivors.
We need to listen, to learn about colonization and its impacts. We need to create environments that are free of racism, where Indigenous people feel safe and welcome and valued. That's why I'm wearing an orange shirt on September 30th.